Hello, my friends. Katie here. Today's free flow, which is a blend of EFT tapping plus Qigong, is all about letting go of sadness. Perhaps you have something going on in your life right now that you're just feeling that heaviness of sadness, or maybe you're not really sure why, but you just feel this like looming dark cloud over your head. If that is the case, today we are going to let go of some of that sadness, that heavy feeling in your chest. We are going to find some sunshine, bright skies, blue skies, and move into a place of joy and happiness. If that sounds good to you, go ahead and find a quiet place to practice. Let's get our minds calm, our bodies relaxed, and let's get our energy flowing. Let's go ahead and begin by feeling into this emotion of sadness. So again, if it's something specific that you're going through, or maybe it's just a general feeling, sometimes you just get in a funk, I want you to go ahead and just feel into that sadness, where you feel it in the body. And on a scale from 1 to 10, 10 being the most extreme, 1 being feeling very little to no sadness at all, go ahead and rate yourself. And we'll go ahead and get started. All you need to do is tap where I tap and repeat after me. Even though I am feeling all of the sadness, and it feels heavy and dark, I choose to accept how I feel and take this time to release some of its weight. Even though I feel like I am stuck in this state of sadness. Like there's a dark cloud looming over my head. Shadowing any happiness or joy in my life. Leaving me stuck in this state of sadness. I choose to accept how I feel. And I choose to take this time to move away those dark clouds and find my sunshine. Even though I feel stuck in this state of sadness, feels like there's a weight on my chest. Sometimes feels like it's hard to breathe. Find joy or happiness in life. Just right now, life feels very gloomy. And I'm over it. I don't want to feel this way anymore. So even though I feel stuck in this state of sadness, I choose to accept how I feel. And I choose to take this time to release this weight of sadness. To let go of its weight and pressure. And know that I am capable of finding joy and happiness again. Inner eye, all the sadness. And it feels like I'm stuck. Like there's a dark cloud looming over my head. Making it difficult for me to see the good. Making it hard for me to find the happy. And I'm stuck in this rut. And I'm having a hard time getting out of it. And this sadness feels heavy. Almost like a weight is over top of me. making my energy low. My body moves slowly. Finding it hard to feel motivated. Finding it hard to feel excited. Because right now everything just feels blah. Like my life has suddenly turned into a black and white film. Where all the color and the joy has been stripped away. All this sadness. Squeezing the wrist, taking a deep breath in and out. Let it go. One more time, deep breath in through the nose and out through the mouth. Let it go. We're going to work on opening up our lungs. In Chinese medicine, sadness is held in the lungs. That's why it can feel really heavy and almost hard to breathe. So just getting your fist, you're going to just tap on the lung area, going down the arm and back up. Letting out some sighs as you do so. Down the inside and back up the outside. One more time. And switching sides. Again, using your breath. Pulling that breath deep into your lungs. One more time. And then just across the chest. Give yourself a little shake. And coming back to our tapping points, starting on the inner eye, even though I feel this sadness. And it feels pretty hard to shake. I choose to accept how I feel. And know that it's safe for this weight to lift. It's safe to slowly allow color back into my life. It's safe to find the joy in the little things in life. It's safe to remove this weight that I've placed upon me. And it's safe to free myself from this sadness. To allow the clouds to part. Allow the sunshine to come in. And allow color to flood back into my world. Adding a smile to the face, tapping the wrists together. And exhale back out. And backing up just for a little visualization, which is always so powerful. You can just watch what I'm doing and then go ahead and close your eyes and visualize. You're going to bring your hands up. It's called parting the clouds, bringing your hands almost like they're diving into the clouds, pulling them apart, and as you do so, sinking down. So hands come up, you grow tall, spiraling around, pulling apart the clouds, and pushing down. This is one of my favorites because sadness those heavy emotions really do feel like clouds hanging over our heads. So it's just visualizing you have the power, you have the control of your emotions. You're going to reach right up into that sky. You're going to push away that sadness, that darkness, and you're going to create your own blue skies, your own sunshine. And just like we said, that image, that picture of black and white, you can pull those clouds apart and visualize color just flooding the area. Flooding your body, flooding the trees, flooding whatever you're surrounding. Just adding that color back into your life. And pairing with the breath, you just inhale as you come up. And exhale as you sink down. Like I said, closing your eyes, just visualizing how you have the control, you have the power. To add sunshine and blue skies into your day. If you are a weather person like myself, weather really takes a toll on my emotions, so it's really pairs and goes hand in hand with how I feel. So having that sunshine and blue skies just really signifies happiness. One more time, inhaling up. And exhaling down. Place your hands on your lower belly. Feet grounded into the earth. Slight bend in the knees, tall spine, crown of the head up towards the heavens. Now that those clouds are parted, feel the sunshine on your skin. And visualize the blue skies, the birds chirping. And again, all the colors, the vibrant colors. You can even picture yourself in a field with flowers all around you. Purples and reds, blues, everything's so vibrant. This can be your happy place. You can come back to whenever those dark clouds start to hover, when you start to feel that darkness weighing on you. Come back to this place and give yourself a little shake. And if you want to go ahead and assess how you feel, maybe a little bit lighter, maybe you feel like, okay, yeah, I think happiness can start to flood back. Maybe today I can start finding some joy. Just starting to get back into that place where like life feels purposeful and feels good again. Let me know in the comments below how you feel after, if it has shifted, if your number has gone down, and if you found this video at all helpful. I'm sending you tons of light and love. I know what it feels like to be in a dark place. So never want any of you to feel that way. So hopefully this has brought you some peace if you're feeling that way. Sending you so much love and light. Love you all. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you check out my gallery of workshops, all included in the Mindfully Me membership. Working through money blocks, finding forgiveness, recharging ourselves, and stepping out of your comfort zone. Not into memberships? No worry. Feel free to browse all the workshops and purchase individually. Hope you enjoy.